This is about SOAP UI, which majorly when we are working on integration part, especially when we are working on API integration. This is what something which normally we use. So one of the prominent application which is called SOAP UI, right? Because simple object access protocol is something which normally we say. So when you are working on APIs, especially, there are different methods we have. Today, I'm going to explain what are the different methods do we have, because we have different methods, especially when we are working on API. Because when we are working on integration, while we are working on any kind of application integration from one application to another application, if you want to integrate, so there are different methods which normally we use. So when it comes to the API methods are concerned, different methods we have. One is about get method. Second, we call it as post, put, delete, right? Option, right? So these are all the different methods we have. Now let me explain you the first one, which is called post method, because this is a method which majorly useful for us to create any kind of new resources on the server, like something like any kind of database records, etc. So post method is something is which normally we use. Next method is called put method, which majorly updates the kind of resources on the server, something like user accounts or any kind of blog post if you want to update. Everything we can do using put method. Next, when it comes to the APIs are concerned, especially from the point of understanding from the different aspects of it. For example, when we are using a method called get method. Okay, so this majorly useful for us to retrieve the kind of data, because when we wants to retrieve the data, right? So if you want to update or insert the data for everything, generally get method which normally we use. These are the major ones I'm saying, which normally we use in regular intervals. Next one about the patch method, especially this is used to uh, update any kind of data, right? So for that purposes, generally patch method is something we use. Next, delete, right? Last but not least, I can say like delete is also another method. Majorly, if you want to remove any kind of data from this, generally delete method is being used. So these are the different methods normally we use whenever we are working on SOAP UI, right? So as far as API integration is concerned, one of the tool we use. So these are the different methods which normally we use. So tomorrow I'm taking a sample project. Okay. So how this integration we have to do and how these methods can be implemented in this process, that tomorrow I'm going to explain.